Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to uninstall Edge browser on Windows 11 and also block it from installing through Windows automatic updates. So in this video use some I will use some software and a few registry procedure that you can find in this video description also. So let me proceed. First you need to install Revo. First, you need to install Revo Uninstaller on your PC. So, click on any browser and search for Revo Uninstaller and press enter on the keyboard. Then click on the first one link, this one RevoUninstaller.com. Then click on free downloads. Then you will see on the left side Revo Uninstaller freeware. Click on this one free download button. This will download Revo Uninstaller on your PC and then you need to install it on your PC. So let it complete first. Once it is downloaded on your PC, I have also downloaded before, so I can install it from that setup file also. Here you can see Revo Uninstaller setup file and I am installing it as a regular software to uninstall Edge from my Windows 11 PC. So once installed, launch it on your Windows 11 machine. Then select Microsoft Edge and click on the uninstall button. Click on continue. Click scan. This will search related files, folders and registry paths that are used by Edge browser and you need to clean it. Here click on select all button and then press delete button. Click yes. Again click select all button and press delete button. Click yes. Once done, close this one software from your PC. Then open File Explorer by pressing Windows E or any other method you use. Then select this PC and open Windows directory or drive. Then click on Program Files x86 folder. Here open Microsoft folder and select Edge Core and EdgeUpdate. then delete it from your PC. Now click on the start button or Windows logo icon on your taskbar, and here type registry. Then click on Registry Editor app to open on your PC. Here you need to navigate to SKI local machine, then software, then Microsoft. After selecting Microsoft key, right click on it and select new and then key option and name it as EdgeUpdate. Press enter on the keyboard. Then on the right of EdgeUpdate you will find something like this. Right click on free space and select new and then DWORD 32-bit value option. Name it as Do Not Update to Edge with Chromium. Then press enter on the keyboard. Now double click on this one key and set the value 1. Then click OK button. Now close the registry editor and reboot your PC once. After that you will notice Edge browser does not exist on your Windows 11 machine, and also when Windows 11 update will come, it will not install Edge browser on your PC, and even if you try from Microsoft Store app, you will see something like this. I show you. Here on the search, type Edge and click on Microsoft Edge browser app. Click on this one install button. It will refuse to install on your PC. You can see on the screen, can't install this app, check for Microsoft Store updates, then try again. That means you will be unable to install it from here. However, you can download setup file from Microsoft Store and install Edge if you need it. Search for Edge download. Here, click on the download Microsoft Edge. Select Windows version and click on this one, download for Windows 11 and 10. Here click on the accept and download button. Click close. This way you can download the setup file of Edge and install on your Windows 11 machine if you need it. This will also help you if your Edge browser does not get updated automatically. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel GearUpWindows, do hurry up. A lot of video tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.